If you really want to make money trading stocks, I guarantee that after watching this video till the end, you will have a strategy that will make you confident in the market, even if you are a complete beginner. This video will be a game changer for you. All you have to do is pay full attention. The world of stock trading is flooded with so much information that sometimes it feels like you're drowning in an ocean. There are free ebooks, expensive courses, and YouTubers who just want to fill their pockets. All of it's so confusing that it's hard to tell what's real and what's nonsense. I've been through this exact phase myself. Yes, that's me. And I found it very frustrating. That's why I'm making this video. To save you from all the noise and give you a simple, complete guide on how to start trading stocks if you are a total beginner. And no, I'm not going to do the usual YouTuber thing where I wrap this up and sell you a $299 course. The best part? This entire series is completely free. Absolutely free. I've been trading for about 8 years now, and I know how much information is out there. My job is to make that information simple and effective for you, so you can learn the most in the least amount of time. That's my goal. Now, there's one question I get almost every day in the comments. How much money do I need to start trading? Is it $100? $1,000? $10,000? What if I told you the answer is $0? Let me explain. One of the biggest mistakes new traders make is jumping into the market with their entire savings and no experience. They see some flashy traders standing next to a Lamborghini and think, that looks fun. Without any preparation, they lose all their money, then say, maybe this isn't for me, and quit trading. And sadly, this happens to most new traders. But here's the good news. You can completely avoid this mistake. There are tools called trading simulators or paper trading platforms. These let you trade with fake money so you can test your strategies, risk management, and emotional control without risking real money. Most beginners skip this step, but it's the most important step if you want to be a successful trader. That's why I'm making it my very first recommendation. There are many trading simulators out there, some paid, some free. But the one I recommend the most is Webull. It's free and its dashboard is very user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to understand. Plus, if you sign up for the first time, you might get some free shares as a bonus. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to try it out. No, this video is not sponsored by Webull. I just genuinely recommend it if you don't already have a trading simulator. And Webull, if you're watching this, cough, cough. So here's what I suggest. Sign up on Webull, start paper trading, and trade just like you would with real money. But here's the trick. You have to treat this fake money as if it's real. Test the concepts I'll teach you in this series. And one more important thing, keep a detailed journal of every trade you make. If you lose money, write down what you think went wrong. Did you get greedy? Did you move your stop loss? Did your emotions take over? Did you follow your rules? Write down everything, every single trade. This will help you learn from your mistakes immediately and speed up your progress a lot. But don't just record your losing trades. Write down what you did right on your winning trades too. This way you can look back and repeat the good habits. When you're just starting out, don't focus on making money. Focus on your trading strategy, improving it, and learning as much as possible. If you do this, making money will come naturally. Just by doing this, you'll be ahead of hundreds of thousands of new traders on the learning curve. This tip alone can change the game for you. Seriously, every new trader should do this. So that's my first step for starting stock trading as a complete beginner. I'm thinking of making this a full video series, covering everything from A to Z, risk management, trading psychology, chart analysis, market structure, candlestick patterns, trading strategies, everything. If you're interested, help me get this video to 1,000 likes. I'll create a complete blueprint for beginners to learn how to trade stocks successfully.